Hi my girlies, let's do a quick winter makeup. The goal here is to enhance our gorgeous features using tad bit of makeup. So first things first, I am spraying a facial mist on my face. And then I'm using this My Glam facial serum. This is the niacinamide one. The facial mist that I have used here is from Fragrance and Beyond. You can easily get that on Smitten. It is a very refreshing one. And for the serum part, let me tell you that you just need to apply it and leave it for like 10 to 20 seconds so that it could sink into your skin, and then apply a moisturizer. Here I am applying the Pond's Hyaluronic Acid Moisturizer. One tip is to make sure that there's a gap of 10 to 20 seconds between every product so that you would let the product sink into your skin properly. For my under eyes, I'm using this amazing under eye gel which is infused with aloe vera and cucumber. This one's from Ollie and you can easily get that from Smitten again. If you do not wish to put an under eye gel, what you can do is either you can go for aloe vera gel, or what I used to do was I simply applied the moisturizer, like whatever moisturizer I was using all over my face, I applied it under my eyes as well. Then comes my favorite part, which is applying sunscreen. Okay, no matter what the weather is, even if the sun's visible to your eyes or not, you have to apply a sunscreen. I myself used to avoid applying sunscreen no matter if the sun's out or not, and it literally broke my skin a lot. But yes, now I do apply it. When you're going to be old, your skin will thank you for applying sunscreen each and every day, trust me. And then I simply applied lip balm on my lips to make sure my lips are hydrated. For my brows, I'm using this dark brown eyebrow pencil. This is from Swiss Beauty, and after filling in the sparse areas, I'm taming it out using a spoolie. And then for covering my dark circles, acne marks and some pigmentation, I'm just gonna use a concealer which is my exact match. I'm not going to use a concealer that is lighter than my skin, and the concealer that I am using here is from Swiss Beauty and the shade is Warm Sand. After applying the concealer, I let it set for 10 to 20 seconds, and in that period I'm just applying this cheek and lip tint from My Glam. Now I'm going to blend in the concealer, and for blending it I'm using a brush. I'm not using a beauty blender, a damp beauty blender, because here I just wanted to cover the dark circles or the acne marks and the pigmentation. The beauty blender actually soaks the extra product in and takes it off of your face, so we are not doing that. And after I am done covering my under eyes, I'm just going to run the brush over my eyelids to make sure that I do not look sleep deprived. And then I'm just blending my cheek tint using a brush again. To enhance the eyes, I'm going to use a brown kajal. This one's from My Glam, and I am going to use it to make a wing only on the outer part of my eyes, and I'm not going to bring it inwards as well. And to set it properly, I am going to use a dark brown eyeshadow. This palette is from Swiss Beauty, and using that dark brown eyeshadow, I'm just going to set the same eyeliner that we have created to make sure it does not smudge. And then I'm going to powder my face, and for that I have used the translucent powder from Lakme. You can use any translucent powder, or you can also use a compact. It's up to you. To make my eyes pop, I'm using a little bit of shimmer over my eyelids using my fingertip. This one has tiny glitter particles and looks super cute. To lock the hydration on my lips and to give it a pop of shine, I'm applying the Swiss Beauty Kiss Candle Lip Balm. The shade is Mulberry. For my lashes, I'm applying my favorite mascara, which is the Faces Canada Magnetized Mascara, and I'm applying it on both my upper and lower lashes. This is the best budget friendly mascara you can ever get, and that's it. I am done with my winter makeup. I hope you all like it. This kind of makeup will suit every skin type, since I myself am a person with a combination skin, but in winters my skin gets super dry, and the only solution to dry skin is a good amount of skincare rightly done. And on top of it, you can definitely apply makeup this way to look refreshed with the minimum amount of products splashed on your face. And that's it. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, enjoy winters, take care, and bye.